In this video, we'll build a color detection and tracking program using Python, OpenCV, and NumPy. It detects a specific color in a video and tracks it in real time. We start by importing OpenCV and NumPy. These are the only two libraries we need. We open our video file and grab its properties, the frame rate, width, and height. Then we set up a video writer to save the processed output. Now the important part. We define the color range we want to detect. We're targeting red, and red in HSV is a bit tricky because it wraps around the hue spectrum. So we need two ranges, one near 0 and one near 180. The values 80 to 255 for saturation and value ensure we're looking for vivid, bright reds, not dark or washed out tones. Inside the main loop, we read each frame and convert it from BGR to HSV color space. HSV is much better for color detection because it separates the hue from brightness and saturation. We create two masks, one for each red range, and combine them with a bitwise OR. This gives us a binary image where white pixels represent red areas. To clean up noise, we apply morphological operations. Erode removes small dots, and dilate fills in gaps. This gives us cleaner contours to work with. Now we find contours in the mask. These are the outlines of the detected color regions. We filter by area, ignoring anything smaller than 500 pixels to avoid noise. For each valid contour, we calculate the minimum enclosing circle. This gives us the center point and radius, which we use to draw a green circle around the tracked object. We also draw a small red dot at the exact center and display the XY coordinates next to it. This is useful for knowing the object's precise position in the frame. At the top of each frame, we show a tracking status. Green text says tracking when objects are found, red text says searching when nothing is detected. Each processed frame is written to the output video, and we print the frame number and object count to the terminal so we can monitor progress. Finally, we release the video capture and writer to free up resources. That's the complete script. The code is clean and straightforward. About 80 lines of Python, and it works with any color. You just change the HSV range to target a different color. Now let's run it and see the result. The script processes each frame, detecting and counting the red objects. And here's the result. You can see the green circle tracking the red car as it drives across the frame, with the coordinates updating in real time. That's color detection and tracking with Python and OpenCV. Subscribe for more projects like this.